of wine. Restaurant, let's use the restaurant. They'll give you a bit. First thing you want to do, I suggest you hold the wine at a certain degree, probably around 45 degrees. Have your sight on the eye, with your eye looking at the glass. Why do we do that? We want to make sure that there are actually no particles or debris in the particular wine. Sometimes you may get dirt, sometimes you may get cork. That's the first lesson. So you can also learn more about the type of grape, the year, the region from the color, the type of climate that particular wine and that particular year. But that's for another story. Today I'm going to show you the techniques. So the first one, they pour you the glass, you pick it up. Don't pick it up like this, don't pick it up like this, don't pick it up like this. You're elegant, pick it up like this. Then 45 degrees, eye contact, have a good look, no debris, no cork, nothing in there, wonderful. Step 2, place the glass down. I suggest you place the glass down on the table. Unless you're experienced, you can hold it up in the air and give it a swirl, like I am doing. But remember, I've been doing this for a long time. And if some of you have not, the chances are you're going to spill the wine over onto the table and onto a lady's dress or a gentleman's shirt. You will not be popular. So don't do that. So put it on the table, 2 fingers, give it a good old swirl, and then bring the glass up to your nose. Let's do it this way. Give it a good sniff. I'm not concerned at this point what you are smelling. I'm concerned that you are not smelling nail polish remover. You are not smelling vinegar-like notes. And you are not smelling oxidation, wet cardboard. If you are smelling any of those 3, nail polish remover, vinegar, or wet cardboard, something is wrong with your wine. Be polite and just say, I think this wine is off. Would you mind replacing it for me? That's point 2. Point 3, once you've tried that, you will sip some wine, and after you've sipped some wine into your mouth, you give it a good swirl, like that, and you will open your mouth once or twice and take in some air. Take that goodness, so swirl around, and then you swallow. And after you swallow, think of one thing at this particular point. It's a very simple method. How does it feel? If you like it, then that's a good wine for you. And I tell you that because no one can tell you what is a good wine. They can tell you what they think is a good wine, but you may not like it. It's very, very personal. So remember that. That's what you've got to do. Point 1, have a look. Point 2, nose. Point 3, taste. See how you feel about it. That's a very simple 3-point test. We'll see you at our next session. And until then, cheers.